We like to cook, and we enjoy the fun of the cooking. But if you are the chef and working in a very big central kitchen, you must thinking about who can help you to clean the diet before you're cooking. Actually, you are thinking about how the snacks be made inside a food manufacturer. Today we are going to find out how a food manufacturer machine can be made in the factory. So without any ado, let's go.
Use machines to make machines. Finished equipment is easy to use. But we noticed the precise processing and extremely quality control behind that. Production management with nearly perfect working flow design makes the final equipment meet the high standard, especially for food industry. Details guarantee the safety of the machines. From material to manufacturing, to us, it's not only the working process. It's more like a question that may need every manufacturer to think of. When we enjoy the most convenience brought by technology, we feel the culture and the beauty behind the industry.
Gelgoog has received many positive comments from clients through allying with reputable companies such as Unilever, Mengniu, Cargill for so many years.
Hello, my name is Bola de Famurio, the Managing Director of Rio Nigeria Limited.
Good morning, greetings from Lagos, Nigeria. My name is Kenny Salami. I'm the CEO of Trolley International Limited, the proud makers of pepperoni sauce.
Hello and namaste. I'm Anish Gautam, the Managing Director of Gelgoog Group of Companies from Pokhara, Nepal.
I'm happy to associate with Gelgoog, who have been very friendly, good to us.
Gelgoog Machinery Company Limited, a reliable machinery partner. With the professional support from Gelgoog, we successfully expanded the production line and the market demand.
I want to say a very big thank you. We bought your machines. They are fantastic. They're doing very well, extremely well indeed. We're very happy with the products.
We are here for your after-sales problems. Trust me.
We are here to supply you professional solutions.
Trust me.
We are here to ship your machines safely.
Trust me.
我们12谷歌呢是2010年投入到这个，我们一直把让食品生产的更简单、更安全的作为我们12谷的一个使命，给到客户的最后的解决方案是让客户操作设备来讲是变得非常简单，但是它背后来讲一定是很复杂的。科技含量越高，背后整个在设计、在实施的过程中是越复杂的。所以复杂的工作、复杂的事情呢，我们来去做，我们帮助客户来去解决。